Solve exponential functions. So the key concept, property of equality for exponential functions. So we're going to say that b is greater than 0 and b cannot equal 1. Then if this is the base. So we're going to look at the base and we're calling it b. So the base is the same. Then we can say that x is equal to y. So let's have a look at an example. So if we got 3 to the x, and this is equal to 3 to the 5, our bases are the same, which means that we can use the property of equality for exponential functions and say that therefore x is equal to 5. So let's have a look at an example. So example 1. So we're asked to solve. So we've got 2 to the x is equal to 8 to the 3. Now in this question the bases are not the same, so we need to rewrite the bases so that they are the same. So if we look at this, we got 2 to the x, but 8, we can rewrite 8 from a base of 2. So what base, or what is going to be the exponential or power 2 to the what is going to give us 8. So this is going to be 3, and then we can actually cube that. So because we have brackets, and actually we don't need the double, let's get rid of the 1. So because we have the brackets, when we multiply these brackets, we'll have 2x is equal to 2 to the power of 9. Now the bases are the same. We can say that x is equal to 9. Okay, so we'll have a look at another question. So this time we've got 9 to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 6x. So we need to put the bases the same. So let's rewrite the bases. So 9, we can rewrite this as 3 squared. And this is going to be to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 to the 6x. Now we need to expand. So we've got 3. 2 times 2 is 4x, and 2 times minus 1 is 2. So it's going to be 4x minus 2 is equal to 3 to the 6x. Now that the bases are the same, now I can use the property of inequality for exponential functions to solve. So I'm going to write 4x minus 2 is equal to 6x. So I need to, so I'm going to minus 4 from both sides. So minus 4x rather. So minus 4x. So I will have minus 2 is equal to 2x. Divide by 2. So x is equal to minus 1. Okay, guided practice questions. There's 2 questions for you to try. So pause the video, answer the questions, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Okay, we need to make them the same base. So let's have a look at 1a. So 64, how can we write 64 with a base of 4? So this is going to stay the same, but we can rewrite 4 to the power of 3. So now that the bases are the same, we can take the exponents and use the property of inequality. So it's going to be 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. So we're going to add 1 to both sides. So this will be 3 plus 1. 2n is 4. Divide both sides by 2. So n is equal to 2. And if we look at the second question, so we've got 5 to the power of 5x and 125 to the power of x plus 2. So we need to rewrite 125. So we can do this. So we'll keep this one the same. So 5 to the power of 3 is 125, and we need to multiply it by x plus 2. So 5 to the power of x, so this is going to be 5, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 2 is plus 6. So now that the bases are the same, we can look at the exponents. So 5x is equal to 3x plus 6. So minus 3x from both sides. So we'll have 2x is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2. And x is equal to 3.